Hi everyone, welcome back to 3 Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany and today I am in my backyard getting some Christmas decorating done. Now this is day 3 of Vlogmas. Yesterday I did get the front yard decorated for Christmas, so make sure you go and check that out if you haven't already. This is everything that we are going to be working with today. Everything is pulled straight from my attic. There is nothing new. That was my challenge here this time around. I said I am not going to get anything new for the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start by getting everything all cleaned up. I will be bringing you all 12 days of content for Vlogmas this year. Normally Vlogmas is every day leading up to Christmas beginning December 1st. However, Vlogmas is very intense and I enjoy spending time with my family during the holidays, and I also work full time. So 12 days is the happy medium for me. So if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the videos that are coming your way, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell. I wanted to do something a little different this year, so I'm breaking out one of our old Christmas trees from the attic. This one has a ton of flock on it and it gets all over the place, which is one of the reasons why I ended up replacing it among many, but you're gonna see it all over my clothes, all in my hair as we go through this. I mean, flock was just dropping everywhere, so I thought outside would be the perfect place for it. I'm just going to set up a few things on my table here. I normally like sets of 3, so that is what I'm going to be adding for this space. You're going to see me start with just this sign and then my fire table bowl, and then I'll be adding something in a little bit later. If you've been watching my Christmas videos so far, then you already know I had to add a little joy back here. So I'm breaking my joy pillows back out this year. This tree came in a set of 2 and I picked it up from Walmart a few years ago. It does come with the lights included, but I'm going to put battery operated string lights on it just because I don't want cords running everywhere. These pillow covers belong to the same set that I ordered from Amazon that's also included on my front patio. To give my lanterns a Christmas look, I'm just going to be adding in these poinsettia stems. I'm using command hooks to add some ribbon garland over here above my door. These command hooks have been here for a few years and I have not changed them. They are hanging on really strongly. So how is everyone coming along with their Christmas shopping? I will admit I have not even started yet, but I usually do this. I will not wait until the last minute, but I usually won't start until around the middle of December. But I will also go ahead and get everything right at one time so I can get it out of the way. Basically, I keep a running list. Let me know in the comments below where you are in your Christmas shopping journey. This mesh ribbon is the perfect solution for covering up the legs of this tree, and it's also going to be waterproof. But that is going to be everything for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed and were able to get some inspiration of your own. If you haven't already seen my other Vlogmas videos, make sure you go and check those out. And then come back tomorrow for day 4 of Vlogmas. I will be doing a Christmas evening home tour. You don't want to miss it. If you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that like button and comment what your favorite part is, you all. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week. Be blessed.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.